In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple and easy to do. And basically, if you don't know what WhatsApp is, it's really useful, especially if you're someone who doesn't have much data or anything like that on their SIM card. This allows you on internet to message anyone, regardless of what phone or PC they're on, as long as they have WhatsApp, to message them for completely free instantaneously as well. As traditional texting relies on SMS or MMS channels, WhatsApp bypasses this entirely by converting your messages, images, or anything else into data packets sent over the internet. The cool thing is you can also do calls and video calls on it as well. So, that's pretty neat too. And you can get it on any device you have. So all you want to do to download it is go over to your app store. So if you're on iPhone, go over to your app store. And if you're on an Android phone, go over to your Google Play Store. Now, all you want to do is go over to the very top and then type in WhatsApp like so. Now, whenever you type in WhatsApp, you might see two options. You might see WhatsApp Messenger, and you might also see WhatsApp Business. So if you're just, using it to communicate with people normally, go ahead and download WhatsApp Messenger. It's going to be right here. You might need to type in your password or anything like that. But once you do, it's going to ask for your phone number because that's how it connects, to your phone and your device to be able to send messages and receive messages as well. Then it's just going to ask you to make a profile, but then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.